CMOs often make the mistake of saying, hey, content team, you have to create 10 blog posts every single month for the next 6 months. And then the content team say, why? And they say, because I said so. That's a mistake. Throw those content quotas in the trash. What you want to do is say, hey, content team, we need to create 10 blog posts this month that are going to go after these keywords with the intent of us ranking in Google for these various phrases so we can be able to extract value from this amount of volume of search traffic that is happening every single day. We want to compete with these domains against it. This is why we're doing it. Production for the sake of production is pointless. You need to have a rationale and a reason for why you are producing these assets. Are you trying to get links? Are you trying to get organic traffic? Are you trying to rank? Are you trying to get press? Are you trying to get social shares? Start there. Because when you have that understanding, when you have an understanding of the why for your content production efforts, you're going to be more strategic, and you're also going to have something that you can actually strive for as it relates to business, objectives, and goals.